Hello, my name is Pradeep and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can enable Android Auto wireless on most of the basic Android head units that are available in the market. This works on 98% of the devices that I've tested so far. Before I start, I would like you to know that I already have a similar video live on my channel using the older version of the Head Unit Reloaded app. In case the newer version does not work for you, you can try installing the older version. Click on the link appearing on your screen right now and watch that tutorial. Also, I would like to clear some confusion about the previous video. Firstly, you do not need Z-Link 5 app to get the Head Unit Reloaded app working. Agama Launcher only cleans up the UI and makes the interface easy to operate while driving. You do not need it for Android Auto to work wirelessly. Now let's get back to the topic. I have connected the USB drive to the head unit. Let's quickly go ahead and install the app. This is the latest version of the app that I could find. In case you get this notification, just select More Details, Install Anyway, and proceed. Once installed, open the app. Just scroll through and give the necessary permissions for location, microphone, and call logs. Now the app will ask permission to modify the system settings. Go ahead and enable that. Once done, go back to the app. Click on Settings, Connectivity. Unlike the older version, this new version only has Wi-Fi connectivity settings. So click on it and select Wi-Fi client mode. Phone will create the hotspot. Once you do that, go back. In case your head unit only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, not the 5 GHz version, go to Settings, click on Audio and select the first option to enable compressed AAC audio. Now, on your phone, go to Play Store and search for Wi-Fi Launcher app. Let me go ahead and install it. This app is developed by the same team that created the Head Unit Reloaded app, and it's free to download. Now open the app and give all necessary permissions. The app needs permission to display over other apps, and to do that, search for Wi-Fi Launcher and enable the setting. You would also need to give permission to modify the system settings. Enable that too. Now, you need to disable battery optimization for the Wi-Fi launcher to work properly. To do that, go to Settings, search for Apps, and then search for Wi-Fi launcher. Under Battery, select Allow Background Activity. Now go back to the app and click on OK. Once done, connect your phone's Bluetooth to your car's Bluetooth. On your phone, in the Wi-Fi Launcher app, under Bluetooth, select the car's Bluetooth name and click OK. Now under Wireless, select the third option that says Create Hotspot. Then enable Auto Reconnect. Now scroll up and click on Start Wi-Fi manually. Back on your car's head unit, go to Wi-Fi and connect your phone's hotspot. In my case, it's called Test AA. Once connected, it should trigger the wireless Android Auto on your head unit. So I can play the music from here itself. That's here. Now if you go back to your menu, you can see it replicates the wallpaper from your phone. So that is something new that was not there in the older version that I had. Then you can just go back to maps, and then you can search say I'll just go to Humpy and then start.
Head north on 3rd Main Road toward First Crossroad.
While the older version just required you to connect the Bluetooth of both devices, which was automatic every time you started the car, the newer version has changes that require you to manually trigger the connection via Wi-Fi launcher from your phone. And only this will get the Android Auto working wirelessly. So let me quickly go ahead and switch off the car and start it again and show you how it works. First, I'll kill the app on my phone. Once you start the car, open Wi-Fi launcher on your phone and click on Start Wi-Fi manually. Now on your car's head unit, switch on Wi-Fi. It should connect your phone's hotspot and the Android Auto Wireless should start automatically. So this was a quick tutorial on how to get the latest version of Headunit Reloaded app working on your basic Android head unit. Please note that this works on 98% of the devices, but in some cases the wireless auto still does not work, but the wired connection should still work. If nothing works, you can always purchase wireless dongle to get the Android Auto working. In case you have any questions or queries, please reach out to me on Instagram. You'll find the link to my socials in the description. I'm not as active on YouTube as I am on Instagram. On Instagram, I would be able to respond to you much quickly. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. In case you found it helpful, please go ahead and give a like. And also if you like the content on my channel, please consider subscribing. So I hope to see you on my channel again. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.